Hey there, champions of consumer research. I am Rishabh from Coral and Insights, and today we are going to see fieldwork checklist. Now, there are many ways to conduct fieldwork in a quantitative study, like online surveys, phone interviews, central location tests, and more. But in this video, we are specifically looking for one classic method, that is door-to-door interview. So, whether you are new to fieldwork or a seasoned pro, this one is for you. Before stepping out to meet respondents, it is super important to be well prepared. So let's walk through simple step-by-step checklist, things you need to get sorted before leaving home. So your day in the field runs smoothly. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Understand your questionnaire. First things first. The questionnaire is your main tool. Think of it like your playbook. You need to know it inside out. So don't just read it once, read it few times. Flip through every section. Understand which question are from whom, where the skips go, and what the option mean. And don't just read it silently. Try and explaining it out loud to yourself or a teammate. If you can explain it confidently, you are ready for the field. Step 2. Clear all doubts in advance. Now, if anything is confusing, like a question, an instruction, or the logic flow, ask your supervisor or team lead. Never wait till you're in front of the respondents to figure things out. You don't want to be stuck saying, let me think and get back to you. That's not professional, right? So clear everything in advance, no hesitation. Step 3. Know your target group. Who are you supposed to talk to? Every research study has a target group, the type of people we want responses from. It could be young mothers, college students, shopkeepers, or gym goers. So memorize the easy filters like age, gender, income level, job type. That way, when you meet someone, you'll know right away whether they qualify. Step 4. Take all required permission. Go into a society, a school, a store. Many places need you to take official permission. And trust me, missing one letter or ID can get you stopped at the gate. So always check. Do I need a letter? Do I need a prior approval? Do I need an ID badge? Print them, carry them, and keep digital copies too, just in case. 5. Know the area you're going to. Don't just land at the location and start figuring things out. Before you go, open Google Maps. Check routes, traffics, landmarks, know where the TG might be. Maybe at the parks, outside schools, near bus stops, or in shopping areas. Being familiar with the place saves you time and energy in the field. Step 6. Plan your day and travel time. Now that you know the area, plan your day smartly. Avoid going during lunch breaks, prayer times, or school closing times. Try to estimate how many interviews can you do, how much time each one may take, and always keep a little buffer for breaks, rejections, and delays. The more planned you are, the more relaxed you will be on the ground. Step 7. Charge your phone and test your forms. This is a big one. Your phone or tablet is everything. Without it, there is no data collection. So make sure it is fully charged before you leave. And carry a power bank. Always. And very important, open the survey app, check your login, and make sure form is loading and saving properly. You don't want to lose responses because of a glitch. Step 8. Carry all essential. Now let's talk about your field kit. Here's what you have to take when you're going on the field. A working pen, a small notebook for rough notes, your ID badge, permission letter, hand sanitizer, face mask, power bank, a bottle of water, and of course, your positive energy and smile. Put these things in a small bag or a pouch and double check before leaving home. Step 9. Dress neatly and comfortably. Your appearance matters. You're meeting strangers and they'll trust you more if you look neat and respectful. So wear clothes that are clean, simple, and culturally appropriate. Avoid flashy shoes, big headphones, or loud accessories. And wear something comfortable because you'll be out all day. Step 10. Eat before you leave. This one is simple but super important. Don't leave home hungry. You'll be walking, standing, and talking to people. An empty stomach can make you tired, irritable, and less focused. So eat something light but filling and carry a water bottle and a quick snack like a banana or a biscuit packet. And that's it. Your complete pre-filled checklist. Follow these steps every time and your fieldwork will go smoothly, professionally and confidently. And hey, no need to memorize all this. Just download PDF of checklist from link in the description below and print it, keep it in your phone and check it before every field day. Good luck in the field, stay smart, stay safe. And don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to Deep Dive Diaries for more such insightful videos.